everyone. This is regarding a small testimony which I wanted to give to PVH, and I also wanted to mention my views about the recent live video which happened in Facebook yesterday by April 1st. First thing, I wanted to clearly mention everyone that even for the members of APVH and for PVH, I wanted to inform that I came to PVH only out of my own thoughts and out of my own interest and out of my own wish. There was no compelling about that you should come to PVH. No one didn't brainwash me. And after that only, after an interest, I took this divine tool as one of my service which I am helping many people out here at Tamil Nadu. And the recent views what I found and what are the allegations which is going against PVH is very sad to hear. And I feel really bad when a very good tool like this is being insulted and being we are terming many people, they are terming want as a toilet stirrer, which is not acceptable. Maybe it is their view, but as a right we have the right to speak, we have our view to share. And even if you people of APVH, if you're bothered or not, we have our own rights and views to say this, not for you, for the other people. Maybe wand is a very bad tool for you, but according to me, it's my view. According to me, it has given me so much of things in life, so much of courage. When life was to knock down me in a very bad situation, by so much of betrayals by a particular person, I was in a position to leave my life. Wand is the only thing which saved me in everything. And Shiva sir has given this PVH. PVH has supported my life like anything which any other deities in the temple did. Why I want to say you is because I was a very perfect prayer person, and I used to say so much of slokas. And the main thing is to accept PVH. It nearly took 7 years for me. My husband is in PVH since 2013, but I was a person who did not accept PVH. I wanted to say you all this. Why? Because the acceptance of that PVH took so much years for me. I didn't accept it as immediately as he told me. It nearly took 7 years. I came to PVH by 2017. It has been 3 years since now. And from the moment when I started the PVH journey, it didn't change, the things didn't change for me overnight. But it took time. It took so much of time to balance all my karma. I'm yet balancing. It created so much of confidence in my life. It created so much of good happenings in my life. Even though when life is striking down, knocking down, I have a courage to stand up, fight for me, fight for my family, fight for me as a woman, fight for other women's upliftment, and most of all, I have a very conscious life which I'm happening now, and I want to protect many women who are being cheated and assaulted by many people. Really, this is the main thing which I wanted to do, and that is why I'm able to process because of PVH. Yes. And another one I also wanted to mention is, see, today everyone has right to speak. Whoever has a Facebook or Instagram, they become a journalist, and they become people who can, they say very good things, and they are able to communicate their views and ideas. Even if it is to assassinate a character of any person, they do it very easily. But do you all think this is the right way to do and assassinate anyone as you like? That is not the right way of doing. And to assassinate any woman's character, is it correct what other peoples do like this? In APVH, I'm particularly saying, it is their own personal perspectives. It doesn't mean PVH people ladies who follow PVH are really bad. People are doing that kind of projections. We are not so bad. We are not characterless women who are in PVH. Yes, we have our own views. We have our own belief. Please never assassinate anyone's character. Why? Because what you give is what you receive. That you always remember. You please remember all that. So I really want everyone to understand. Even when I give this video, there may be many people talking behind the back. What is she speaking so much and all these kind? But I'm not bothered out of it. I have only concern on me, other people who are coming for help. I'm really happy to do them. And another thing is, I am only afraid of the divine whom is directing me in a correct path and my beloved healing wand. Another one I want to say is, we don't have to right to speak about others without knowing what has happened exactly. So kindly stop speaking about other people. You don't know what are all the sufferings which I faced in my life and how I overcame all these because of PVH. Today, if PVH and healing wand is not there, there is no such a character like this here in this world. Because betrayals will really shut down many people's life. And another one, today in FB and Instagram, everyone is having FB and Instagram, so everyone has become a journalist to do very good character assassination, to do very good negative comments and all those kind. Why you do keep on looking about the negative things? Why not you have a chance to look on the positive things? I also want to say something in Tamil. Prana Violet healing அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து என் வாழ்க்கைக்கு கிடைச்ச வரைக்கும் தான் நான் வந்து ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு மாற்றத்தை நான் வந்து எதிர்கொண்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். எமோஷ்னலாக ஒரு தைரியத்தோட எமோஷ்னல் கலந்துக்காம ஒரு ஒரு வகையான ஒரு வாழ்க்கையை வாழ்கிறதுக்கு பிராணா வயலட் ஹீலிங் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப உதவி இருக்குது. லைக் நிறைய பேர் லேடிஸ் வந்து எமோஷன்ஸோடு இருக்கீங்க, எமோஷன்ஸோடு இருக்கோம், நான் இருந்தேன். நான்லாம் வந்து எமோஷன்ஸ் வந்து ஃபுல் மீல்ஸ் போட்டு சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி என் வாழ்க்கையில் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நடந்தது. இன்றைக்கி சாப்பிட்டு ஜீரணம் ஆகிடுச்சின்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். இருந்தாலும் சில விஷயங்கள் நம்ம மனசுக்குள்ளே பதிஞ்சிட்டே தான் இருக்கும் இல்லைங்களா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள் எல்லாமே மனசுக்குள்ளே வர்றப்போ உடனே வந்து நான் எமோஷனல் பர்ன் அண்ட் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணுறப்போ எனக்கு லைஃப் வந்து சரியான ஒரு சீரான பாதையில் கொண்டு போகுது. என்னை சரியான வழியில் இறைவா சக்திக்கோளே என்னை வழி நடத்துங்கள்னு சொல்லும்போது அந்த சரியான வழி நடத்துதல் அந்த வழியை காமிக்குது. இதெல்லாம் எந்த கோயில் குளத்துலையும் போய் நான் காணலை. ஏன்னா நான் வந்து சுத்தாத கோயில் கிடையாது. ஒவ்வொரு கோயிலில் போய் அங்கே பிரதிஷ்டை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இந்த மாதிரி பல விஷயங்கள் நடந்திருக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ எத்தனையோ நான் அந்த கல் சிலையை பார்த்து கேட்டிருக்கேன். நான் வந்து கல் சிலைன்னு தான் திட்டுறேன். ஏன்னா ஒரு நாளும் கூட உனக்கு என்னோட குரல் கேட்கலையா? நான் இவ்வளோ தூரம் வரேனே, இவ்வளோ தூரம் உன்னை கும்பிட்றேனே, இப்படி உட்காந்து முன்னாடி அழுகிறேனே, ஒரு நாளாச்சு நீ எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல விஷயத்தையும் சரி பண்ணி தரமாட்டியா? நான் எத்தனையோ நாள் கேட்டிருக்கேன். ஏன் எனக்கு தந்திருக்கலாமே, நிறைய விஷயங்கள் தந்திருக்கலாமே, ஏன் தரலை? அப்போ எனக்கு தராத விஷயங்களுக்கு வந்து எனக்கு இந்த PVH மூலமாக கிடைச்சது வந்து நான் இங்கே அதை வந்து பதிவு பண்ண விரும்புகிறேன். ஐ வாண்ட் டு ரெஜிஸ்டர் தட் PVH ஹேஸ் given me a very good emotional balancing life which I am able to withstand. If PVH is not there, I really don't know what is my plight. So I really want to say, yesterday's meeting which has happened on Shivasas and many allegations had been questioned. I want to say an answer for everyone. அவங்களுக்கு வந்தாதான் வலியறது ரத்தமா தக்காளி சட்னியான்னு தெரியும். ஓகேங்களா? It means to whomever they are facing the problem only we really know the flavor of PVH, but not others. And to understand this PVH and to receive it and to deliver it to people, it really requires a good karma. So I support PVH. I stand with PVH. Thank you so much.